Good afternoon. Welcome to today's trade breakdown. Going into the morning. Actually, to start off, we had FOMC today. We had fund rates, economic projections, statement. I don't even know what that is. Doesn't matter to me. All I know is it's going to inject a lot of volatility into the market. I don't care what the numbers are. I don't really care what they're saying. I'm focused on what pricing is giving me, and this morning it was this. So yesterday we closed inside this city here. Overnight we came back up into here. We couldn't even get to consequent encroachment of this wick here, this daily wick. So these are London highs. I was actually expecting these to be taken out. In my Discord this morning, I said, here's my high time frame. I'm anticipating run on London buy side liquidity and run into this week's new week opening gap. So that would have looked like this. We open up, we run this buy side, and then we come down into this, which is a new week opening gap, which is what I was talking about. This is new week opening gap. So on the 30-minute chart, this fair value gap stood out to me. It's inside this order block here. When price opened up, okay, let's go down to the 1 minute. We ran up into this 30-minute fair value gap, and we showed no willingness at all to go higher. So price opened up, we respect it here, come back up in here, respect it again, and then I'm in there getting short. Here, let's look at today's executions. So this is my first trade. I'm in here getting short once we disrespected this fair value gap, this fair value gap here, and we respect the top of this opening range gap. So I'm in there getting short. Price runs down here about 150 handles or so, I think. Like I said, I was wanting to see price come down into here. But with it being FOMC today, you can expect some kind of choppy price action. So move stop to break even. You got stopped out on that trade at break even. Oh well. So 10:30 comes around, we take out the buy side again. Can't quite get to London. And I'm in there expecting a short. We respect this again. We respect this 30-minute fair value gap once again here. So I'm in here getting short on this. This is the first fair value gap before taking liquidity. So I'm in there getting short once we disrespect that. Ended up seeing about 200 points here. Was in front of my charts. Couldn't take profits. So then we just kind of. We just kind of chopped around here all day, and yeah, that's a lot to sit through. It sucks sitting through that here in the lunch session. We made these relative equal highs. FOMC comes out at 2. We come down, make another low, collect more buy orders, come back up in here, take out these sell stops above these relative equal highs. Right as FOMC hits, and we take off lower straight too. Oh yeah, let's try and look at these executions. Oh, I don't know why I'm disconnected here. Okay, yeah, there we go. So I didn't end up getting this full move that I wanted. I got out a little early. I was trying to get this as it was coming down. Taking out these lows. Obviously got a really bad fill there. Only ended up getting 125 points today total. Should have been a 300-point day, really. But I wanted to get out of the trade. That was an emotional exit there. Had a lot of mental expenditure in here. This is a 3.5-hour trade. That sucks to sit through. but it's something I gotta work on. Still a great trade idea. Exactly what I was expecting to happen happened, and I love seeing that. I feel really in tune with the market when that happens. So yeah, let's check out this price a little bit. Look how we're using, like I said, this is a daily wick here. Let's just show you. It's this daily wick. I'm looking at how we're reacting and using these quadrant octant levels. So we're respecting the lower quadrant here, respecting it here. Can't get above this lower octant here. Respect it again here. These are all things that are telling me that we're not willing to go higher. We're not willing to explore more into this wick. So I'm looking for lower prices when I see things like that. I mean, obviously, go back and watch the videos. Look through my Discord. I'm calling it at a very high percentage right now, for sure, which I'd love to see. What else can we talk about here? Look how we're using this opening range gap. We're showing we don't want to explore higher here. Come back, take that out, but still show we don't want to go higher. We have two bodies that close out of it, and that's it. We show that we don't even want to get to the high here, and then we want to go lower, respecting the same fair value gap from over here. What fair value gap is that? Let's go look. Actually, this one that overlaps this lower octant of this wick. I'm always using the fair value gaps that are overlapping these levels, these octant and quadrant levels on the SIBIs and on the wicks as well. I'm always using those. So yeah, I think that's pretty much all you got for you. I am expecting the next couple of days. I'm expecting lower prices. This closure below here is huge. I mean, if we can respect the lower half of this, and respect this new week opening gap tomorrow, I think we're gonna end up seeing some lower prices. So yeah, that's all you got for you. I will talk to you guys tomorrow.